To invest in stocks on Revolut, you first need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you have the app, create an account or log in if you already have one. Revolut offers a range of financial services, including a feature that allows you to buy and sell stocks. To access the stock feature, navigate to the Investments tab within the app. Here, you will be able to browse through various stocks and view their current prices. Before you start investing, it is essential to understand some key concepts. Stocks represent ownership in companies, and their prices can fluctuate based on market conditions. To start investing, you need to deposit money into your Revolut account. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card to the app. Once you have funds available, you can browse through the available stocks and select the ones you want to buy. You can search for specific stocks by name or browse through categories. When buying stocks, you can choose to invest a fixed amount of money or a specific number of shares. Revolut also offers a feature called fractional shares, which allows you to buy a fraction of a share if you do not have enough money to buy a full share. Before making a purchase, it is crucial to understand the fees associated with buying and selling stocks on Revolut. The app charges a small commission on each trade, and there may be other fees such as currency conversion fees if you are buying stocks in a foreign currency. Once you have bought stocks, you can monitor their performance within the app. You can view the current price of your stocks, as well as any gains or losses you have made. You can also set up notifications to alert you to any significant changes in the price of your stocks. It is essential to have a clear investment strategy and to do your research before buying stocks. This includes understanding the company's financials, industry trends, and any potential risks. It is also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different stocks to minimize risk. Finally, when you are ready to sell your stocks, you can do so within the app. You can choose to sell a specific number of shares or a fixed amount of money. Revolut will then execute the trade and transfer the funds to your account. Investing in stocks on Revolut can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. But it is crucial to approach it with a clear understanding of the risks and rewards involved.